Megan Fox treated her 19 million Instagram followers to several new photos of tour life with beau Machine Gun Kelly on Sunday. The raven-haired beauty, 35, wore a two-piece pink knit coordinating outfit for the rapper's latest show in Argentina. She accessorized with studded pink combat booties and a matching choker with chains. The bombshell kept things sexy in the low-cut sleeveless top that accentuated her cleavage and tied at the center. The matching skirt featured a ribbed waistband and 3 keyholes on one side, coupled with several tassels. The revealing ensemble showed off the actress' toned and svelte figure as her lean legs and taut stomach were displayed. Megan wrote over a photo of her snapping a mirror selfie, "Argentina," and added peace sign, lollipop, and heart emojis. The blue-eyed beauty gave fans a closer look at her fun ensemble in a second selfie posted to Instagram stories. She put her immaculately made-up face front and center as she flaunted a clear complexion that was highlighted with a sexy cat eye, blushed cheeks, and pink glossy lips. The mother of three's long locks were styled in a center part and tight waves that fell over her chest. Fans also got a better look at her neck jewelry, a bubblegum pink choker with silver studs, chains, and pink dice. Fox continued the slideshow of outtakes without using any more captions. Among the several pictures was a shot of her with her soon-to-be husband's bandmates. The group of talent was dressed in black as the Till Death Star and her fiance stood out with their pops of color. MGK, born Colson Baker, wore a white fishnet shirt that exposed his many tattoos, paired with sparkly black trousers. His hair was dyed pink as he lovingly wrapped an arm around his longtime partner. Switching things up, the Jennifer's Body actress switched the next images to black and white, giving them an artful and dramatic touch. Another photo of the twosome backstage was zoomed in on them, cropping out the band members who stood on their sides. Baker smirked as his partner leaned into him and gave the camera her signature smoldering look. Another more intimate photo showed Meg's caring side as she took to her man's hair with a flat iron. Once the musician stepped on stage to perform with his guitar strapped around him, Fox took a photo. She was a proud girlfriend as she shared a fiery image of the emo girl hitmaker belting out his hits. The photo showed multiple shots of MGK strumming his instrument and singing into a microphone during his Lollapalooza set.